Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on partial differentiation. Let us solve the problem. If u is equal to log of tan x plus tan y, then prove that sin 2x into dou u by dou x plus sin 2y into dou u by dou y is equals to 2. And to prove this, if we see the given example, u is a function of two independent variable x and y, means we can differentiate it with respect to x and with respect to y. Given u is equal to log of tan x plus tan y, we call this equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, keeping y constant, and therefore we get dou u by dou x is equal to derivative of log is 1 upon, therefore tan x plus tan y 1 upon as it is function of function applying chain rule. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Then multiplying by sin 2x on both sides, and therefore we get sin 2x into dou u by dou x is equal to sin 2x into secant square x whole divided by tan x plus tan y. Simplifying it further, that sin 2x I can rewrite as 2 sin x into cos x, a standard trigonometric result. Secant square nothing but 1 by cos square and whole divided by tan x plus tan y. One cos get cancelled, therefore the remaining terms 2 sin x divided by cos x and whole divided by tan x plus tan y. It is nothing but sin by cos nothing but tan, therefore it is 2 tan x whole divided by tan x plus tan y. We call this equation 2. This is the first term, sin 2x into dou u by dou x, as 2 tan x divided by tan x plus tan y. Similarly, we get the second result. Sin 2y into dou u by dou y is equal to 2 tan y, replacing x by y, we get 2 tan y divided by tan x plus tan y. Equation number 3. We can write down this result similarly, or we can obtain this result by performing all the steps exactly similar to the previous, and then adding equation 2 and equation 3, we get addition of left hand side is sin 2x into dou u by dou x plus sin 2y into dou u by dou y, that is equal to 2 tan x divided by tan x plus tan y and second term 2 tan y divided by tan x plus tan y. it is equals to 2 times LCM is tan x plus tan y. Taking 2 common from this numerator term, remaining terms are tan x plus tan y. Get cancelled and we get the required result. The value is 2. Hence proved. One more I will discuss in my next video. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, as well as press the bell icon to receive the notification for my such type of new videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.